I launched some my products for SBI, Zono app, invite launch. Those are things I was, when I was working in a Goldman advertising, I able to conduct the event. So earlier I was a fresher. When I was on a Goldman, as I'm actually as a fresher, but how I get this information? Because of I participate in a college events like symposiums or conducting some games or whatever. Any program means Gopi will be there. So I'm interested to conduct this kind of events. It's a only uh, it is a only process make me to get into a market. As well as a Senthil sir, I don't know you all know or not. Senthil sir is a only major impact to. I shifted to a marketing job actually. When I done my BCom, I decided to be an MBA finance, but later I learn a marketing with the Senthil sir. I interested to join the marketing, so I decided. So I can able to take a MBA marketing with finance, but so if I take a MBA with marketing finance means I definitely there is a chance to get a finance job. So I keen about that. I don't want to take a finance job. So I take a marketing with HR. So is there ma'am? I'm sorry to say I'm not interested in HR actually. So I don't want to take a finance job. What I should take means marketing with HR. So there is no chance to go for a finance job. So definitely there is a only option I have to go for a marketing job. So that much interested in the marketing, so go for it, because the creative oriented things, the positive, the keep on we can able to update ourselves in a marketing profile only. So let's come in, get into the topic same. So we have a product of Maggie. Okay. So first we have to understand as a brand manager, I launched the product. We have to understand what is the unique selling point of the product. So unique USP, the marketing term, everybody say as a USP, unique selling point. What is a product? Okay. Maggie, we can able to cook in within 2 minutes. That is a unique selling point. Whenever you see ad, you can able to see on logo 2 minutes, 2 minutes. That is a unique selling point. If anybody is hungry, they want some food, they just go and buy some Maggie and they able to cook in within 2 minutes. Okay. So that is a unique selling point. So every marketing products, if you want to promote, there is a marketing piece, you know that, right? Product, place, price, promotion, people, process, physical event. That is a traditional marketing piece of implemented in a marketing. Then only we can able to promote the product. So here Maggie is a product. What is a product? Maggie is a product. What is the price? Before price using, every company analyze the competitor activities. What they do? Is there any similar products in the market? So they analyze it. The same related Sunfeast EP and Top Ramen. So the same price or compete price, they make the price for the product. So that is a product and the place. Which market we going to launch it? In Tamil Nadu or Chennai? Which segment? In if it takes us a place. In marketing term, everybody says a place as a tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 cities. Tier 1 is a metros, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai. These are the tier 1 cities. Everybody says as a tier 1, T1 cities. And tier 2 cities means Madurai, Tiruchi, Pune, and some other cities in major cities in Madurai, Tiruchi. These are the tier cities. It's compared with the metro, but it's not a metro actually. The same facilities have it, but it's not a metro. That is a tier 2. And tier 3 means interior, rural markets, very villages area. That is a tier 3 market. So for this product, which place we have to choose? We have to choose a tier 1, tier 2, because those are the peoples are working in IT, or those are the peoples usually going for a jobs. They don't have a time to have a cook. So they are ready to buy the Maggi noodle. So the place have to choose for the market is a big, majorly we have to focus on. Then only we can able to sell the product, we can able to revenue. That is a place. And the promotion activities. So this is a big topic. I come into it. And fifth one is a people. Which kind of people we going to sell? That is a TG or TA. We say it as a TG, target group. Which group we have to target? For Maggie, you are using the people's, students, children. These are the people's are interested to buy and interested to eat it. Okay. So we have to, based on the people's only, we have to segment the promotion activities. So sixth one is a process. What are the process of way we get to the products to the consumer? if it is an online, if it is retail, if it is an wholesaler sales, or if it is a dealer way, what are the way we going to sell the product means that is a process. The seventh one is a physical evidence. Physical evidence means the tangible ones. People what are seeing it, then only they can able to buy. We have to do a merchandising in a retail. Visual merchandising means arranging the products. Okay, arranging the products in a supermarket. That is a visual merchandising. So that is called physical evidence. We have to do a visual merchandising or leaflets about the Maggi noodles. If it is a new product, means we have to give a new leaflets. What is the product? How we have to cook everything? The instruction we have to know. That is a newsletter. So those things are physical evidence. Now we get into when promotion activities. Okay, so before the product anything, the product launch, the company will do a regulations, legal regulations results. They search in government with us, this is a product can be legally launched or not. So that is comes under product category. So now we get into a promotion. Okay, so promotion means anything, any tools to make to sell the product, that is called promotion things. So here there is a chance to come for a third party, that is advertising agency. What is an advertising agency? So I was working in advertising, so I know what is a rough underline about advertising. So advertising is a agency works as a small group, minimum to 5 members to maximum 100 members also. So there is several categories in advertising. So first is an brand manager is there. Brand manager means they are the one to coordinate with the brand to manage an ideas. So what it suits for this promotion for this product, they only give the ideas. And there is a business development manager also. Business development again comes for marketing. Those are the person visit the corporators and talk about their company's profiles and everything, how strong we are, everything they talk about. They get a brands as a retainership. Retainership means monthly they have to pay some amount. If we own some rented out means we have to pay a monthly some rented. No, the same thing happened for a marketing, advertising. So they have to pay some lump sum amount to the brands. Brand has to pay for the lump sum amount to the advertising agents to get the advertising services. Okay, business development managers also be there. So another was a account manager. Account manager is a person handle a few accounts. Accounts means brands. Few accounts. Okay, so in the account manager, there will be 4 client servicing executive. Client servicing executive is the person interact with the brand managers of the company's brand manager, interact with the brand managers and get the brief about the products, what they recommend, everything they only take. So here the product is a Maggi. So HCL invite their advertising agency. The account manager, a brand manager of the company, as well as a client servicing person of the Maggi product, all are come and sit in a one meeting room. They discuss about the product. What is this product? How it impact in a market? What are the competitors do? What is the USP of the product? Everything they discuss and made some researches. What is the key point to sell this product to a consumer? They finalize the concept. Then they come up in advertising the agency and they talk to a art director. Art director is a creative person. Visualize something. It is visualize the product theme, color, and what caricature or a diagram being going to is everything they only decided. Okay, so art director decided some outline it, and that concept go to a senior visualizer. Visualizer is a creative person. They do a designing in a software. So they do work. If it is a newspaper advertising, they do a design for a newspaper advertising. But everything will be in one unique point of one unique selling point of two. If it is a 2 minutes means they come up with the idea of a full concept. We come up with the 2 minutes. You can able to ready a Maggi. That is a concept. The entire campaign will run only the promotion of that point. So if you take as a now example as an Hamam is pushing to become only for a woman's, because there is a way to sell reach the person's women's. A lot of are using a Hamam nowadays. So that is a unique selling point. What is the concept they're going to use it? A unique selling point is based on that the team they created. Okay, so senior visualizer make the creative. The client servicing person only coordinate with the media. Now there is a comes point as a media agency. Media agency means the medias like Times of India or TV channels, radio channels, outdoors, digital. These are the media channels. Okay, those are the persons give a entertainment content to a consumers, because the people are started watching. If you're seeing a Vijay TV means Vijay TV or some serial, there is an advertisement coming. So those are the some if content if you give only people are watching your channel. Those times we can able to advertise the products. Those are the media agency. So the kind servicing and account manager talk to a media agency for a good position. If he wants to release a TV ad, they think about that. Here the product is a Maggie. So where we can able to do a TV commercial, we can do it in a Chutti channel or a Pogo, Cartoon. These are the place usually kids watching. No, so even kids are not always change the channel. Usually they also watch the advertisement also. Okay, so that is a good platform to give a TVC. So once we started GVC, kids are watching the advertisement. It's intangibly or something in subconscious way they already registered. Okay, they started to have a noodles. They keep on pressurize the mom to buy the Maggie. So this is what the management have to think, which platform we have to do the marketing activities to sell the products. Okay, so media agency, that is one point. And newspaper. So TV, I talk about the TV channel, which are the we have to focus to make the promotions. And comes to a newspaper where we can able to promote that. So in a kids corner, there is a in Dinatandi or there is a Silver Malar, no. So in Silver Malar we can able to publish on advertisement. Those are the things are attraction to buy a products also. And billboards. Billboards means outdoor advertisement. When you visit some streets or when you visit some roads, there is on a large flex board, no, that is a billboard. Okay, so we can able to billboards do it in a school areas. In school areas, if we do a billboards also, it again give an attraction to the kids and they ready to buy the products. Okay, and they have to, and brand also conduct the events. Events means some drawing competition within the school. These are the events come up with the idea of a brand, because why means this is as a social responsibility also, corporate social responsibility also, as well as a brand promotion. The parents are interested to participate, and finally the certification also given, no, who's are win on the participation survey. In that everything the brand logo will be there. Again, that is a promotion. So brands also ready to do for the events. And movies, there is a movie integration also happen is take it as an example of My Dear Kutti Budam, something, or that movies, no. So in that also they integrated the person of the hero or who are all they having a Maggie. That's kind of a promotion also they do. So it will create subconsciously it register on the people minds to buy the product. That concept also come. And sports. In sports also, in a small swimming sports, or who are kids are interested to watch the sports also, there is opportunity to sell products. And the final stage is a digital. In digital play games, video games, apps, no, there we can able to promote a brand also. That is a digital. I come into the topic in separately. So these are the ways the brand manager has to think what are the promotion activities we have to do and how we can able to sell the product. We have to finalize it. Okay. So so the advertisement, everything planned. Always the brand manager think about in a 360-degree perspective. If we release the advertisement in TV channel, it's not going to create the impact in within a 1 day or 2 days. The same times we have to do a newspaper. The same times we have to do a billboards. Always the brand manager, if he runs a campaign, they will be promoting 360-degree. If you see any advertisement newspaper, the same advertisement ads will come in a TV channel. The same advertisement comes in a digital. So always we have to keen about to do a 360-degree of marketing. Then only the product will be in promoted well. Okay. So the products, everything planned. What is the budget? Okay. What is the budget? So I am going to sell the Maggie for next 1 month for 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh rupees I have to earn from it. So 1 lakh rupees initially we have to invest for 20,000 to 30,000. I'm just giving an example of the figures. So 20,000 to 30,000 as a initial amount for invest in a promotion activities to promote the product. Then only we can able to earn a 1 lakh rupees. So brand manager made a one calendar. So brand manager made a one calendar. in 1 month, my target is a 1 lakh. So first week, second week, what is the promotion activities we have to do in the 1 week? How many products quantities we have to sell? Everything they made in a calendar. So based on the calendar only, he work. Okay. So final after 1 week, you have to do the evaluation process. That is a analytical tools. So marketing professional also want to be an analytical person. Okay. So 1 week, after 1 week, you get an evaluation. What activations we do, what is the performance, what is the sales, it's happened, everything they have to keep on track. Is there anything the products going well in TV? If the campaigns are running in between 6 to 8, means evening 6 to 8, we releasing advertisement in TV. Okay, those times are people usually buy in retail shops. Means how we get the details? Because of the salesperson, because salesperson only interaction with the retailers, wholesalers, they have the ideas getting from the shop retailers. Okay, they give an ideas when they buying the products, everything the details, we get those details and make analysis. When the product is performing well, we have to come up with an idea, and we have to reducing the promotion activities based on the evaluation. If we TV runs very well, if the if I release a newspaper on the day, on the day the sale will be in hike, means newspaper advertisement going on well. So based on the evaluation process, the promotion activities has to decrease and the budget will be a decrease. If they give a 30,000 as a promotion activities, we have to reduce it to 15,000. Again, there will be in revenue. I invest only 15,000, but I earn a 1 lakh rupees. That is a brand manager have to work. Okay, always the brand manager have to be an added value. So if you're getting any job, the same, if you're getting a finance job or HR job, the usual person, if you're, I get some symbol is what is it actually? Can you able to? Okay, Chino, I think you said something. Huh? You want to ask anything? Sorry for the interruption. Okay, so let's get into it. So always brand manager wants to be a added value. Any job you get in finance or HR, whatever job, you have to be company for a, you have to add values. If you are getting as a finance manager, what you give potential things to the company apart from your job. Apart from the job means if you are as an executive, why don't you try to get the jobs from manager, make them to stress low them. Okay, you have to interested to get the job, then only you are the right person. They think that they give a promotion as well as the incentives. Okay, always you have to be add value to the company. That is what the company usually expect. So again, we come to our product. So usually there is a company was a meeting going on. The brand manager also will be there. Always monthly there will be company conduct one meeting, that is called MRM, monthly review meeting. Okay, so brand managers, salesperson, CEOs, MD, everybody came. What is the performance? Is there any performance or less? They analyzing it. Where is the lack? The brand promotions are not reached well, or the salesperson not sell the product. What is it? They usually monthly they track it. That these evaluations, what we evaluate that data has to give to the management people. Based on that, they come up with the idea for the new concepts or new product launch, everything. Okay, so usually brand manager also be in meeting. So he want to present what the promotion activities. So if you are brand promotion, you have to talk in on big meeting room with the board of directors, MD, and everybody. So now also you have to start it. Now also you started to start speaking in a college within your groups. Okay, any group discussion, anything, you don't care about communication. You just be a positive. I don't know, when I joined MBA, I don't know English actually. I was studying in a government school. After that only, when I improved my interpersonal skill, you always to be in positive, then only you can able to an English or whatever. How you confidently speak, that is what the people think. They don't even think about your communication. The communication is always try to convey our language, what we are trying to say. They not even care about grammar mistakes or whatever. Okay, so next get into one online marketing. So I talk about the advertising agency, media agency, how performing, what are the promotion activities they will. So let's come into one online marketing. Now we have to see online marketing. Why means in future online going to be a boom, because digital marketing nowadays giving a lot of job. Even marketing professional, if you trained as a digital marketer, you get a good salary. Recently my company hired one person, is a digital marketing person. He's a just a manager, okay? I'm the executive, I'm senior marketing executive, but next position will be assistant manager, then is a manager. He hired one person for a digital marketing. What is his salary? I just giving some numbers. Is a per annum CTC will be at 12 lakhs. So per month will be is getting 1 lakh rupees for a digital marketing. Okay, so digital marketing is a next future. If you are marketing, you have to know the fundamentals. So, or you have to know the basics of it. What is digital marketing? That is the basic information you have to know. And in my perspective, all the marketing persons or all the digital marketing persons are not equal. Okay, digital marketing persons are someone handle the softwares. Okay, if I am a technical person, if I learned a IT profession, I can able to learn a digital marketing, but I'm not the person. I learn only marketing. I know only a traditional marketing oriented things, but it's not work. But if you want to be success in future, if your career will be in marketing, you have to learn little bit about digital marketing, because that is the next future about it. Okay, so what is digital marketing? Digital marketing, a lot of things are there. Most of them are selling. Usually people say SEO, SEM, display advertisement, video advertisement, content marketing, mail marketing, SMS, social media. So a lot of things in digital. But simply you take digital means two things. One is seeing a website or a mobile app. That is a two things. What are the digital gadgets nowadays we have? One is a mobile or laptop or desktop or a computer. Those things only we use at digital. Other things, TV, that is there is no advertisement. It comes under TV advertisement. So digital only two things: mobile and computer. Okay. So nowadays people, if they have any doubt, they just go and search at Google. So if you have to if you mother have some fever, okay, you have to buy some medicine. There is no doctor on the time. So just as a normal people, better you Google what is the medicine to take for the fever. Google gives the results of this medicine is good for the fever. Okay. So nowadays, if anybody people doesn't know means, you just go and search at Google. Google is a good platform to make a marketing. So Google come up with the idea that digital marketing come up. That is called SEO, search engine optimization. Okay. Search engine optimization means, so you are a on company, so you have a website. In the website you talk about yours only, not talk about the other company. So you talk about your companies, what are the products you sell, what are the things you have, everything you are listed in your website. Usually in websites, one fact I give it to you, per second total in world 7 websites are creating. If it is a 1 second, 1 second means 7 new websites are created. That much of brands are come up with a new website. So every websites have a listing their products and what are they doing, the information. Google, when people search in a Google, if it doesn't take it as a mobile phone, immediately it search what are the website resulted to a mobile phone content tab. They search it in, and based on the people rankings, who are they visited mostly, that website comes in a ranking method. Okay. If it is a one time MI phone coming means, people on the day they search MI phone about it, or in the geographical region in the sense, in within your 2 kilometers of your location, always Google identify your location, where you are, where you are, where you searching the website. Okay, based on the location only Google works. So immediately within 2 kilometers, you search what is the mobile phones the people's here are mostly rankly used, and what are the information they have in a good quality of information. Those based on those informations only search engine optimization come. So the results will come based on the search engine optimization. That is a free. Okay, you have to optimize your website only, that listing can be able to came. So you have to always in website you have to give a more contents about the mobile phone, give good ideas. So these the points to make your website in a top category. People click it and go and see your products. Even if they have a plan to buy the products, they are decided to buy. So because Google result the product, so whatever Google says, we believe it. Okay. So that is also promotion. That is called search engine marketing. Next thing is a search engine, sorry, that is called a search engine optimization, SEO. We are optimizing our website. Because of the optimize the website, the result came. So it is search engine optimization. Next thing is a search engine marketing. So I am the new mobile seller. Let's take it as a Micromax. Okay, I am the new mobile seller. Now I want to list the company in Google, but MI phones are giving a good content in website. So the listing will become a MI phone as a top. People are clicking it, but I have to sell my products. I am ready to spend for it. So there is a Google gives option that SEM, search engine marketing. Okay. If you search something in online, I just show some screen. You can able to understand. So let's take it as an online marketing. Okay, I'm searching in a sorry mail. So if I give an information, what exactly it means, you can able to understand it. What? So let's take it as an online marketing. Just I'm the person I wants to buy a market on medicines. Okay, I just mentioned online marketing. So you can able to see the results, right? So in that you see the first two advertisement, that is called as a search engine marketing. Those are the advertisement given for some rates. Those positions are come by a rates. Those marketing. So you see some business LinkedIn online marketing, business LinkedIn pages are came. So in the below you see that is a optimized content search engine. There is no advertisement logo is there. No, those are the called as search engine optimization. In advertisement ad shows, no, that is a search engine marketing. Okay, so this is called an digital marketing, SEO and SEM. So again, so SEO and SEM you can understand. Next one is a display advertising. So you have a website. When you visit a website, news or something, there is an banners are coming, no, side banners, advertisement pictures are coming. No, that is a display advertisement. The same Google option giving an option to make a product to promote a display advertisement. When we click the advertisement, it's get into their website and buy a products. You can able to buy a products, or they talk about the products information, whatever. So how it comes? So if you are planning to buy a mobile phone, okay. So when you're planning to buy a mobile phone, you search something about what is the specification of a mobile, what is a top mobile. Okay, in the pages or in the website or in the blogs, there is a side banner scan. Google know that you are going to buy a mobile phone. That is why you choose a website to see what is the best mobile. So they place a top mobiles, company brands mobiles posters in there. So you automatically in subconscious mind the mobile phone are registered. You take it as an option to buy. Why don't you try to buy this product? So when you enter offline shops or online shop, they give an offer to that product. You definitely buy. So this is called a display advertisement. And next one is a video advertisement. Video advertisement means when you watch a YouTube, there is a video will come. No, please understand one thing. Google does not cost for the money only to display the advertisement. When people click the advertisement, then only you have to pay. You don't want to pay for listing the advertisement. There is a search engine marketing, right? So the ads appear. No, you don't want to pay for the advertisement. You just, if somebody click the advertisement, then only the company has to pay. And the same thing, if you watching any YouTube advertisement, you always skip that. If you skip that, you don't want to pay anything. If the ad not skipped, you watched fully, means the company has to pay the money. Okay, that is a YouTube. And content marketing comes under email marketing. So why email marketing is, usually when a customer when a customer of some companies get the company's data. Okay, so company get the data of mail IDs and phone number. They, based on the numbers and mail IDs, they send a mail marketing, and they send a SMS to all this. How means because of you give the data to them. And finally there is a social marketing social media marketing. So every company have a social media pages, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, so much of pages. Why? Means they keep on posting about their products. It give an impression about the product. It was a good product. You can able to. It gives a product description, everything. It gives a good exposure about the product. You automatically buy the product. That is a social media marketing. So if you are interested to join in a digital marketing, this is the basic. Go and learn things. But if you are a digital marketer, you are not going to handle entire things. In the segment I said, no, SEO, SEM. SEO is an one person is do. SEM is a one person is do. Display advertisement handled by one person. Mail marketing is handled by one person. If you are a good person, you can able to mail in a good business mail. You want to become a mail marketer, try to become a mail marketer. As well as SMS also build. There is a tool. A lot of companies are doing giving say SMS. Software companies are giving a marketing mail marketing tools. Okay, so in SMS there is a two things: promotional and transactional also will be there. If I go very fast, you can't able to understand, please raise the question, no problem. So in SMS there is a two things: promotional and transactional. Promotional means it's advertisement SMS. If you are a mobile seller, the person is not even register your, not even visit your website, or not even register anything, means if they send a SMS to you, means it not reach you. It comes to an TND, do not disturb. Okay, so it comes in DND. That promotional ads will not come. If you register something, you want to buy a mobile, you register in a MI website, means you gave number to the MI website, means they automatically send a SMS. That SMS reach you. Why? Because you already registered. That is a transactional SMS. Okay. So in a mail also there will be there. If you are registered, means you get a mail in inbox. If you are not registered, the mail goes to a spam. So these are the things handled by a mail marketing person and SMS marketing person. So each digital marketing, there is a separate segment. Peoples are there. They are highly trained in their segment only. Okay, and social media marketing will be handled by another person. In some small companies, entire brand persons handle the entire things. Okay, so this is a basic things about the online marketing. Let's get into how the e-commerce works. As an e-commerce marketing person, I want to share how e-commerce works. Okay, so in e-commerce there is a two things: Flipkart or Amazon or whatever, as a Netmates or 1mg. These are the e-commerce, electronic commerce. You can able to buy or sell the products. How it works? There is a two things. One is a marketplace, and another one is a inventory model. Okay, marketplace means Flipkart, Amazon. The seller can host their products in their websites. People are interested to buy the product, they won't click and buy it. Okay, just wait to get the products. That's it. If you buy anything in Flipkart, the retailer name will also be there. Those are the retailers sell the products through Flipkart. That is so Flipkart, Amazon will be just a marketplace. Okay, so those are the people getting a traffic. If you go through the Flipkart or Amazon, they're getting a traffic. Traffic means within a second, fraction of a second, how many people are come and visited my website. That data makes the brand to promote their products. Even let's take as an example as a mobile phone. If you are MI phone, if you are MI phones, I am a MI phone seller. Okay, if you are buy one to cell phone through Flipkart, means MI know that people comes within a way of Flipkart to buy the product. So MI gives us some amount to make the promotion, big banners in their website. Again, they selling like a advertisement tool. They selling a spaces to get a money from the brands. Okay, so those are the marketplaces. Next one I said, no, inventory model. Inventory model means something the Flipkart or Amazon itself have their some retailer. They have a own retailers. They buy a products from the directly from the manufacturer, sell it. I give one example and story to you. You know that MI phone, right? So when MI phone was actually in a China mobile in 2014, they sell comparative with larger than iPhone. They sell in China and other markets. Those time, you know the person Manujan Jain. I'm just sharing the information. Who's Manujan Jain? So as a friend, I'm just giving information to become a better profession. Manujan Okay. So he's a Manujan. Actually, he's and friends are created the Japan.com. Okay. Just be online, friends. I will be there in another 2 minutes. Please be online. Okay. Just. Sorry, there was an urgent need. I'm forget her medicine. That's why. So okay, let's get into it on the topic. So Manujan Jain, he's and friends are created the website called Japan. Okay, so when show uh,
Excuse me, sir. Your voice is not audible, sir.
Just a minute. Can you able to hear me right now?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So Manujan Jain was finded that next mobile market will be a big boom in next 5 years in India. So he decided to visit China and deal with Xiaomi. So he asked to Xiaomi to give a 10,000 mobile phones. So he said that India is a big market, I sell the products. Okay? So he had a deal with India. He not do advertisement, any campaigns at all. He just go and sign a deal with an Flipkart. So that deal is called a strategic partnership. Again, it comes under marketing. Okay, he just go and add a deal with the Flipkart. Flipkart he had a deal like flash sale. That is the first time flash sale was introduced. Okay, so how the flash sale is works actually? You know, usually flash sales run for only 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but actually, within after 5 minutes, if somebody sells the product, it shows out of stock. Actually, it's not a true. The market term like that. Market is like actually. So flash sale is the manufacturer manufacturer 1 lakh mobile phones. Okay, how the economics works based on a demand and supply. Okay, so the manufacturer have a 1 lakh, but he not sells in a within a four products within one. He created a flash sale. Okay, the flash sale makes the people curious about the product. People thought it was a good product because they are waiting for waiting for the product. So they talk to their friends. The word of mouth of increasing. They interested to buy a product. That is the term marketing says that FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. Okay, fear of missing out. Okay. So the product going to miss out. They thought that product going to miss. It's a good product. Why don't you buy? So they wait for the flash sale. On the day they buy. If the products buy only for 10,000 products, whatever, they just close the flash sale. So Manujan was the person introduced the flash sale on July 2014 through Flipkart. That's the first sale happened. After that, all the companies are following the same. Okay. So just a one short I could share with you. So this was happened.
Sir,
So
excuse me, sir.
and so this yes.
Sir, your voice is breaking,
Can
sir.
you? Sorry, just a moment. It's now clear. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So okay. So next, let's. So that is a flash sales happen on Flipkart. So that is where the e-commerce are working. Okay. So next, what are the brands are usually spent for advertisement? So I finished the topic of what is a Maggie product, how the brand manager works, everything that is all done. What is e-commerce work? What is the online marketing, digital marketing works? Now I get into what actually brands spend for an advertisement usually. As a brand, company brand, there is some budget. So if you take as a Vivo, as a mobile, they don't want to sell one product. They want to sell the brand product. They want to brand visibility means there is a some spend for a brand promotion activities. There is a some spend for a product promotion activities. For the brand promotion, you don't believe for IPL alone, Vivo spent a 500 crores as a deal with IPL. For 1 year IPL means they spend a 500 crores for a deal. IPL advertisement. Whenever you see advertisements, Vivo IPL, the name, everything gives us a only the spending of 500 crores. And for the CSK, just to randomly say, for CSK, the main sponsor is a Muthoot Group. Only for getting a logo in the T-shirt and some meet and greets happen. Meet and greet means the Muthoot customers can able to see a Dhoni or Raina, whatever. So some deliverables will be there. Just a minute, I better show you some deliverables. Usually, those are the things also handled by a brand manager. Even our Netmates conduct was a sponsorship for the Pro Kabaddi League, Vivo Pro Kabaddi League. So those we are the sponsor for the Pune Kabaddi match. Okay, I visited the Pune and we conducted some games for the customers, and who all are win, we give a tickets. This sports marketing also will be nowadays become a very things like, okay, because in India people are ready to watch sports as much as compare with some serials. Sports are the people to nowadays are interested to watch. Okay, I show you something. So can you able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
This is a proposal I got from an I just for your information how these kind of agencies work for the brand. So what is the brand's ready to spend the amount? I just given a rough idea to you. So this is just information about Delhi Capitals, who are they and everything. Okay. So what they calculating everything. When you are watching the match, what is the time you see, and what is the viewership of the person, TG, target group, and everything they were analyzing it. How means because even your TV channels giving the data. If somebody watching DTH or there is one brand comes no numbers with a brand, that time they are watching you. What channel you are watching, which advertisement you are watching, those data they getting. For the overall India in 50 at 1 second 20,000 TVs, they search about what the people are watching on the time, in which area, in which locations are people watching. Everything they track. They give it data to a media people. Media people give the data to a brand based on the what give details TV channels. So this is the proposal I got. You see the top of the brand logo size is 38.71 centimeters. Value of the promotion is 70 crores. Just in the element, it's a 70 crores. So what are the deliverables they give? See left side, right to use DC logo in all brands communication. They use a Delhi Capitals promotion. They use your logo, just a logo, and TV coin tossing. Also, that means our brand manager, they coin toss our to toss the coin. The opportunity they give. So I said meet and greet. You see meet and greet. People see players, everything come up with one deliverable, and those spending it's a 70. Okay. So the promotions of marketing manager wants to add it. Marketing person wants to handle it. So if you are a marketing person, you can able to meet celebrities as well as media people. You can able to do things. If you have an idea, if you are a creative person, you can able to do some advertising or you come up with a new ideas. Brands are ready to welcome you. They have to see the products. What is the ideas you can make the brand promote? That is the main thing. Okay. So rough idea what is a brand manager. What I am do actually means I'm taking care of the ATL and retail activation. So for digital, digital is entirely handled by but I know the basics of digital because as a brand manager, I want to know the basics. How I get the I keep on updating my only I want to become a one senior manager as well as on of marketing. So they can able to give the promotion to me because of if my knowledge increase, then I can able to survive it. If you are not, if you are studying at college, after that you don't think that I don't want to study anything. I just want just a MBA professional. You not an updated, you not in a market. Your phones are usually updated once the software is improvised. Okay? If your phone is not updating, you do another phone. The same, the company also the same. If you are not updating, the company not even look at just lay off you, hire another person. Whatever you have to be yourself, even if you are finance manager, the finance analyst, what is the best? Try to learn a sleeping part time. You have a time to try to learn something. So I'm just sharing some information. Try to read some. By the whenever I feel good, just see newspaper. Also just watch advertisement contents that created by some advertising company. What the concept they do, what is the color, what's the creative they do. Those are things analyzing. Another advertising agency, brand executive. Those advertisements have you released? Have you seen it? Those colors are attractive. Why don't you try that color? Why don't you try that campaign plan? Why don't you do that? So those ideas I give. So I keep on value to the companies. Okay. So as those information has to given by advertising agency, but I am giving it because the company might think he is a potential person to become a manager. Why don't you give a promotion to? Why don't you? The company thinks. So I always keep on trying to add a values to them. So and usually visit the blogs, marketing blogs and everything. If you're somebody said wants to be a marketer, right? If you are a salesperson or whatever, if you want to brand manager, if you're going to be a brand manager, I'm showing you some blogs. Try to see it and usually visit. Okay. So marketing practice. Okay. I think the internet was slow. So blogs usually people's just a website kind of thing. Okay. So this is a marketing practice blog. People who are interested to go for a brand manager, usually you visit this blog. He's a IIM professor. He's talk about the brand campaigns at all. What is it's a brand update. Can you able to see, right, everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the IIM, you see, IIM Kozhikode graduate, ex-advertising professional. He's a person talk about the brands, what is a brand strategy, what market they choose, everything. I usually read this article because I get an idea what is the next step those brands are doing. And you see, there is a right side, these are the websites, okay? These are the advertisement, display advertisement. These are the given by Google ads, okay? Google advertisement doing it. So those advertisements give a revenue to this person. So when you have a blog, you can able to create a blog. Blog creation is a very simple man. If you want, if you have some idea, if you are able to picturize something, just visit bloggers.com. Just visit bloggers.com. So there is a lot of things are there, blog creations. You can able to create a blog, whatsoever you have in your mind, you can able to put in a blog. So initially you don't get any revenues. Once the people started watching you, if you're giving a good content, people started watching you in some topic. If you are finance analytics, you've given some ideas to how to make an easy balance sheet or whatever. People, when they search in Google, they're listing your web pages. In that, people are started watching means Google give an advertisement in your page. They give a revenue to you as a part time. So you can able to start a blogs. So just as a who are interested in marketing, just visit that blog and learn something about the brand activations and everything. And some always sign up with some newsletters of newspapers, Times of India and everything. They give a information. They just a pop up. They send a mail to you, your personal mail about what is the top news on in each segment. If you are finance, go Times of India and select a category in finance. Sign up your newsletter request. They given finance about job details as well as finance about newses. You keep on update your knowledge. I always technically e-commerce pages I liked it, so they give you information whatever things happen in e-commerce. I day to day update it. Whenever the meetings happen, I can able to discuss with my directors. So those times I can able to share the information. Even they thought that he's a person or right person, he's a knowledge person. He thought no, sometimes he's working good, he's also knowledgeable. Why not give a good position? He thinks. So these are the strategies we can able to improvise our side. Okay. So that is what. So finally, what are the skills you have to become a marketer? So if you want to become a marketer, you want to become communication power. Communication is not about language. I'm not saying you have to be fluent in English. I don't think I'm not in a fluency in English. I can able to manage. I can able to speak in every meeting because of the confidence I have. So those confidence you have, you can able to speak. This usually, who speak well, people like them. Okay. Why the politicians are liked and why the people are voting? Because of the politicians speak very well. That's why communications are very important. Next, creative things. Creative means not always you want to be a creative person. Creative means not creating something. Creating means updating something. If you take it as a mobile phone, it is a creative, but it's not a creative. It's nowadays using smartphones. In 2005, we using cell phones. In 1990, we use a telephone. That is the upgradation. It's not a creation, and people see that it is a creation. Actually, you upgrading something, adding value to something. That is a creation of people thing. So the designer, whatever's designing, everything will be in some another works. They make some added values. Earlier we usually dosa, dosa, but after that it was a masala dosa, egg dosa. Because of some upgradation they make, it is a, people thought that it's a creation. Even films also, some of the film we watch, they said that it was somely rooted from an English movie. Because of some subconsciously they reaches some concepts, they come up with some upgradation of that. That is what creative. So you have to be creative. You have to add a value, something. Okay. So and analyzing skill. In the analyzing, you have to learn the basics of Excel. If you don't know Excel, actually. When I joined Mark MBA, I don't know Excel. Final year project, I have to make the comparison of what is a brand strategy. So that time only I learned Excel through YouTube only. So I know the basics of Excel. So learn Excel and presentations. Whatever you know the ideas, whatever you know the concept, or whatever the ideas you know, in a business mind, you have to present it in a presentation. So you have to create a presentation. You know the knowledge about presentations. Okay. Next is a negotiation power. Usually we learn a negotiation power from our mother only. Whenever they go market, if it's they say 10 rupees, they ask me to give over 5 rupees. Those are the negotiation power. I show you something, you know, that Delhi capital sponsorship 7 crores. Usually we not close it for a 7 crores. Usually after negotiation it comes under actually 40 crores something. They increase to sell the product. They actually make the amount to be increased, but yeah, because they know brand managers are negotiating. Okay, finally it may be closed at 40 crores or 35. That is what the problem. So you have to know the negotiation power and the tracking process. You have to know data. So you have to remind all the things what you do and what are things we did. What is the impact of it? So based on those data only, you have to plan for the future. So always be track on what you are doing. In nowadays also, if I'm office means daily I write a diary. What are things I do last day? What is the things? Everything I will just note it down, because when it's some personal personal idea also there. Why I'm tracking it means when there is a promotion coming or is there any appraisal discussion going on. So I just go and think about the days what I do. So on the appraisal discussion, I tell about on the day I did this, that the strategy. So those ideas given by me. So that time they thought, okay, he have a track about what he doing. So he know the potential. He can able to run it. They give some confidence. They given some promotion as well as the incentive also. We track on yourselves. And so and attitude means always to be a positive attitude. I don't usually I don't be a negative. If somebody says this interview is not suitable for you, but try it, try to learn something. I usually just even if I'm working in Netflix, I get a good salary, but even now also I'm attending 2 or 3 interviews. Why means I'm on the track. I'm getting a updation or right or not. I'm getting evaluation. How means the interview. Recently I attended 2 interviews. I got selected, but I'm not going to take the job. But what is the capacity I have to analyze? No, that is what I'm attending interview. So before interview, if you're going, is there any special question? If you're going for a marketing professional or finance question, just go through the job description. What are the job roles and responsibilities they requested? Those details you just get a basic idea about what are the things you have to know. In those basic ideas, you talk about the interview. Other than talk about yourself, you talk about the some in depth of the works. So people thought that he knows something. He can able to do some works. So that is an interview preparation you have to do. Always newspaper, watch newspaper. In newspaper, yesterday, it was yesterday newspaper. Wednesday there was a column came. Okay. So it calls. Can able to see Time Ascent. Okay. It's a completely employment newspaper. In that MBA professional, for MBA professional, lot of job opportunities give. In government sector also, there is a MBA professional marketing person. Vacancies are, you just go and apply for it. So in interview on online portals like Naukri, LinkedIn. I think, is anybody knows a LinkedIn?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you have account?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please updating yourself. What are things you do? Is there any active certification? If you did anything, means please update on it. I am always be update on track. Even if I did 2 days back, I did on certification, I update it. Okay, always I update my resume. So you always be active on LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is the only profile you can able to contact with the corporate giant as well as a big MNC, Google or Microsoft. They're posting only jobs in LinkedIn only. You not even get a job in Naukri. Naukri means the basic freshers and some 2 or 3 years experience only we can able to get a Naukri. But if you want to join a Microsoft or Samsung, or if you want to big company, you just have a LinkedIn account. LinkedIn is the only profile you can able to touch with the company's top HR as well as the company top marketing executive, finance persons, as vice president. I follow with the Britannia top manager. I can able to personally message him. So if is there any, I just randomly talk, sir, is there any opportunity to join in a Britannia? I just send a message. Is there if opportunities, he definitely remind me, or automatically the message will be there. No, he remind me and gives the opportunity to attend the interview. So just be on LinkedIn, be track on it, be follow with the persons. If there any post they post, it means you just like and comment it. People think that the persons are interested on me. Why don't we given a, it's a good name, no? They automatically give a good job say options to you. And another thing, if every websites have a bottom line, every websites have some career pages. You go and put your resume in. If you take a TVS, if you take a Mitsubishi or Mercedes Benz, those websites I just applied my resume. I don't get any job, but even though I applied it, what mean? Why means I trying it. No, something that confidence giving to you. Always be a positive. You try to get something. So every website have a careers page. Even Britannia, Royal Enfield, every website have a careers page. You go see what are the positions they have. You don't think that I just learning in a Tagore Engineering College. Even I was learning in Tagore Engineering College. I work with the NetMeds. So NetMeds is a senior manager, studied MBA in IIM. Okay, he's done in IIM actually, Ahmedabad. So he's a person. So now he left. He got a good opportunity, but The only problem is we are the middle class people. We thought that we can't able to do, but we can able to reach the position. But it will take some time. You have to wait for it. Be positive on it. So just an example, the senior manager was a CTC of giving just numbers, no, 15 lakhs per annum is CTC is 15 lakhs. Now we get a good opportunity with the 50% of hike. 50% of hike means now he's getting a 22 lakhs per annum. 22 lakhs means he definitely getting a per month of 1.3 lakhs. He's a brand manager. Okay, I'm just a brand executive. But after he moved out, there is no person. I am the person to taking care of this position. Now I am handling the ATL, every marketing activation. I am also capable. The person getting a 10 lakhs. Now I am eligible to get 10 lakhs, but I am not getting because of my back end, where I studied everything is depend. But I have a capable to do the job. That confidence give to me. When I got another job, I definitely try to get a good salary. No, so initially nobody's give a salary. When I started my career, my salary will be at 12,000. 12,000. Okay, so it's my third company. Now you take my 200%. My salary will be just calculated how it was 200%. Okay, so into that's it. 12 into 12 into 12 into 3. So that is my salary actually. Within the 3 years, I got the salary. You have to wait. You have to be positive. You have to keep on update yourself. Then only you will be in a market. People are noticing it. People are giving opportunity to you. When you get an opportunity, you have to prove it. The manager left. I am proving myself. I am capable for the marketing. So after the appraisal came, the promotion, anything is discussion going. I go and just this month I was handling it. That positive thought I have. Those months are I handle only for an IAM professional jobs are I handle. I can capable. Why don't you give a half salary of that? Why don't you give the promotion to me as assistant manager? I don't want to see. I can able to negotiate with the company. They give it, definitely give because I am handling it. Company usually thinks why we have to give a large salary to that person. Better we give this person minimum salary with a good job. They think that. So be always on a positive. And what you going to take? You have to train on it. You have to be taken on it. You have to be on the job only. You will get it. If you are going for a finance, you focus on finance only. If you are going for a marketing, focus on marketing only. There is one quote says Steve Jobs. If you want to become if you as you want to do a great job, is to love what you do. உனக்கு என்ன வேணுமோ அதை நீ தான் அப்கிரேட் படிக்கணும். அது நீ தான் that is what I try to say. I think I have taken a lot of time. So hope you all clear. So is there any question? Means please let me know. I ready to answer it. Is there any doubts you have in interview process? How I get into this company? How can you able to get a good companies? Is there any doubt? Means please ask me. I ready to answer it. And if you want to personally, if you want any chat, you have any question, is there any job vacancy? If you want looking means, please let me know. No problem. You get my number in my HOD, ma'am. She may give you my number. So I ready to answer it. Is there anything question anybody wants to ask?
Yes, sir. Some students have posted their question in chat box, sir.
Oh, sorry. I'm new to this Zoom.
Shall I tell the question?
Yes, please tell me. I ready to answer it.
Yes, sir. Raghunathan wants to know the challenges faced in digital marketing, sir.
Challenges means you have to learn quickly. So if you want to become a digital marketing, the challenge is how you can able to adapt, how you can able to update yourself. So the search engine optimization talk about no. Search engine optimization, there is a key is there. If I search for a online marketing, okay, people usually, I search online medicines, okay. People usually not think online medicines. They search as an medicines can I get in doorstep. These are the keywords. You have to understand the consumer mind, what people preference, what does people think. So usually people thinks in a two-way, okay, utility approach and indifference approach. Utility approach means people who actually observing it or using it, they have an approach. So if I go and haircut my salon in some salon shop means once he done it's a good job, definitely next time I go there. That is a utility approach. So that's what the FMCG product gives a sampling unit. So okay. So next is was a indifference approach. Usually there is a lot of products in market. People think based on the advertisement, based on the word of mouth, they ranking the products based on the ranking only they buy it. It depends on the person to person. So if you want to become a digital market, you want to know the consumer mind, what people thinks. If you know the exact mind, what people search in a Google, which page they go and everything. There is a one more option in digital market, retargeting. When you visit a Flipkart, if you search for some accessories or headphones means, when you go to a Facebook, the accessories and the same ad will be appear. How it comes means, there is a code in their website. When you search in the page, they mention here code, that is an algorithm. Okay, so it is a retargeting actually. So the Flipkart person knows you search this product, so wherever you go, or 2 days or 3 days only you see the ads. If you are already buy it means, they know that this everything was tracked because of your Google ID only. In Google ID, locations, everything was tracking what you are doing. So if you Google Maps visit also, where you randomly visit, everything. So those details given by media, Google's or media peoples, share to a brand manager. Brand manager decide based on their next campaign plan. I hope you got the answer. Yes, tell me, is there a next
Yes,
question?
sir. He said thank you, sir. And next, Sandhya wants to know the importance of teamwork in marketing management, sir.
Teamwork is a major thing. As a marketing person, you have to try interaction with the entire company. How we say, we are like a king. When we work for some campaigns, I usually thought that I am the king, because I have to go and meet the product manager. What is a product display? He have to report me. Okay, product details I got. Then I go to where legal regulation team. Is the product, everything is a legalized? Can we get a certification? Can we make the certification promotion? Okay. Next, we can able to go accounts for the funding. We can able to go meet the purchase for the vendor discussions, and every meeting we will be there. The teamwork is a major thing. If you have a team, digital team or any campaign, so there is a teamwork is needed. So as a brand manager, if any product launch, I have to be on the meeting, as well as the digital marketing will be there, as well as the social media, everything we come up with a single idea. Any concept, if it is a Maggie, if you take it as example, 2 minutes we able to cook the Maggie, the same proportion we have to teamwork. What the creatives we used in newspaper, the same creative used in a digital, the same kind of creative color combinations only we use in a TV. So the teamwork is a major importance. Everybody brainstorming the new ideas to make the brand promotion better very well.
And next, Alagappan wants to know why digital marketing is preferred more than traditional marketing, sir.
Because we have to update ourselves. Nowadays people are using mobile phones. They are not ready to use landline phones. That is what, because people spend a lot of times in mobile only. They seeing the mobile phones. You get a push notification. That's also digital marketing. Whenever the app will send a notification, these are the push notifications sent by the brands. Even you can able to send a minimum ads for this person. There is some restriction there, but push notification, digital marketing person can be able to send a lot of things. If you install the app, you giving a permission to app to track your data, or able to send a promotion, any message. People are started using digital nowadays. I am using mobile phones. So we have to come up with the idea of digital marketing. Then only you can able to sustain it. And only go with the traditional marketing. No one you hire you. You have to know the digital marketing also. But traditional marketing is a basic things. That is a fundamental. I said the 7 P's, product, place. That is a base to make any new brand promotion, whatever, based on those marketing piece only. Yes, next.
Yes, sir. Priyadarshini is asking that it's the marketing field is suitable for girls.
Yes, definitely. The advertising agency, everything was girls only. My first company brand branch in charge was a lady only. He's only teach me knowledge about this and everything. And in digital marketing, my team in NetMeds, digital marketing handled by a colleague only. She's name is Purnima only. She's only handling it. In digital marketing, it's a big team actually. 14 members are there because of the mail, SMS, SEO, SEM, all the different persons are. But traditional marketing, I'm the only person because traditional marketing nowadays are not using, because in e-commerce our people are not using digital only, they prefer. Most of them are 15 out of 9 girls only. So if a girl interested to learn marketing, means better to learn a digital marketing. You can able to work in one cabin, sit and work. You don't want to go anywhere. As a men, in sometimes traditional marketing, I have to go to the visit some stores, how the branding is done. I have to evaluate. Those times I have to go. But if a woman wants to in a digital marketing, they don't want to go anywhere if they prefer for a digital marketing field. Yes. Is there anything? Hello.
Yes, sir. Oh, sir. Oh, sir.
Is there anybody wants to know? Sorry, I can't able to read the chat. I'm frankly saying that I'm new to this Zoom, so I can't able to read some chats where it is actually digital marketing. Anyone who interest to want to learn some new entering. So anybody wants to know any question? Do anybody have any questions?
No, sir.
So I'd like to ask a question.
Yes, please.
Hello. Yes, sir. How can a fresher join in branding?
That is a big task actually. So as a fresher, I don't get the opportunity. Yes.
Like, will any company recruit a fresh blood in branding, or we have to do the field work first?
I'm telling the fact that brands are not prefer for a fresher for a brand executive or whatever, but they give an opportunity. Some companies, big companies, giving as a position of marketing intern. Okay, marketing internship. You do a marketing internship in big companies, big corporates, MNCs are giving a marketing internship. So 3 months marketing internship. You have good rapport with the brand manager or persons. If you get a knowledge in the particular segment or particular product base or particular company base, in the internship type, they see the potential of your, they may give opportunity for work in the company. But as I'm working in a general air conditioner actually, so I had a good rapport with the marketing manager. So I don't get, when I done my internship, I asked, is there any job to get? But he said that there is no position for a fresher here. We usually take for an experienced person only. But he gave some contacts that advertising agency. So there was some interview going on, but they also looking for 1 month, 1 year of experience. But his influencers, they opportunity to give attend for an interview. So I turn it. He impressed about my positive attitude and everything. So why don't you try? He gives an opportunity. I utilize it, and then I shifted to a brand. So we can able to sustain an advertising agency, but as a person, I want always given ideas to implementing. If it isn't successful, means I get some in-depth initially in field. I will feel good. I did something. My ideas will work it on sometimes. So those opportunity where I get means only in a brand only. If I continuously work in advertising agency, means I have to work for another brand's ideas. I can't able to implement ideas. So there is a need for my shifting the job. So I utilize the correct opportunity and shifted to a brand. Those time also I get an opportunity for working another advertising, but I plan my way where I have to go. What is the vision? So my vision is I want to become a vice president of marketing, or I want to become a big director of a marketing in a big company. So what the promotion activities I do that make us people to buy. So when I can able to read the people mind, I can able to do that. So I am on the process. I am ongoing on a right way. So within a 3 years, I shifted to 3 companies. But earlier I was in Goldman. I was worked for 1.5 years. After worked in Newberg Techniques 1 year, and now Netments is completing 1 year. If you keep on track my way, means initially I was in advertising agency. It was a small company. There only a team member of 5. After I shifted to Newberg Diagnostics, there was a team member of 150. Now I shifted to Netments. Here the overall the company employment is a 700 people. Now if I shifted to another company, definitely it will be higher than net merge. So I always be on track with the steps towards a top. I don't want to put it in down. I always to go for an high level. So as per my vision, I'm going on. So you also try to get a good rapport with the internship. When you get an internship with the senior manager, you get a good rapport with him, get a knowledge to him. Is there any, if you identify his potential of yours, means it definitely offer you. And be touch with our alumni also. They also some give some job opportunity. If I'm getting anything, is there any advertisement in the vacancy also, I definitely tell you, no problem with that. Just get my number from HOD ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for making this session a special one. And I thank all the participants for making this session an interactive
Thank
one.
you, thank you for. Is there clear? No, what I'm talking.
Yes, sir, it was very much clear
Yes, sir.
and interesting, sir.
Thank you so much.
Participants, kindly fill the feedback form which is provided in the chat.
Sure.
Thank
when
Thank you,
the-
Gopi. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I was there for the complete session, and you have become a marketing expert. Okay, you have touched on so many things. It was very good to hear your delivery. It was really good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you.